Are you ready to launch your cybersecurity career? CompTIA Security Plus certification is your key to success. Many aspiring IT professionals struggle with exam preparation and lack hands-on training. But don't worry, we have the solution. Within's comprehensive Security Plus learning path, you'll gain essential knowledge to confidently pass the exam. Our learning path covers critical domains, including security concepts, threat mitigation, and security architecture. You'll experience valuable hands-on labs, ensuring you can apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Plus, our expert-led courses provide unique insights that set you apart from the competition. Don't miss this chance to elevate your career. Start your journey to CompTIA Security Plus certification today. Visit our website to enroll and take the first step towards your future.